Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Here come, we are here again to my channel, Leah B. Intatino, and this is third part of the video, and we are going to the mountain. Today is 17 August 2025, Sunday. We are going to the Oasis in Piemi di Mucugno, Lama Mucugno, Modena, Italy. I think the distance from the city is 60 kilometers. The distance from the city of Modena, where I live. So I hope you enjoy watching this panorama, guys. This view, and as I said, this is during winter. This area, this mountain, going to the mountain is full of snow. Last year, I was here taking a public transportation and going up almost 1 hour. Okay, guys, I let you to see this video. If you like, put like. If you like, also subscribe and share. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like it. And okay, please subscribe. Please like if you like. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, and share. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, afternoon, or tonight, wherever you are. God bless. God bless, guys. God bless us all, and remain blessed. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.